Did the $5 polish and got cat eyes on and topping her off with some caps. Does it look better?
Yeah.
I think so too. Sometimes it's the little things. Well, before I have a disaster, decided to get new wheels for the 4020 here. They're cracking around every one of these bolt holes. They got cracks. So that's a rim. If we break them, we got problems. So crisis averted. Saw a mouse in here. Can't find a real cat, so we'll see if this one can do it. Where'd he go? Oh, just saw him. You see him? Get him. Get him, kitty! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! There you go. Well, we are test fired. Seems like everything's gonna work. Header height works. That's good. I don't know. I can't be the only one that gets a little bit nerved up the day before you start. Always thinking, well, what did I forget? What did I not get done? Because once you start, it seems like all hell breaks loose. So, excited and nervous. I'm gonna try to back into this shed without hitting anything. They're close. There's some of these. And there's a plant like that. Got yellow beans on it. Oh. Well, green tough beans, 10%. Reason why I bought this head. I know it's getting tough already. I had to try it. Oh, we're still moving at a snail's pace. Fast too. The sun's going down, so yeah, your cut beans like this, you ain't gonna go after the sun goes down. There's some drier ones, those short rows. I might knock a bunch of them out or something. I don't know. This sucks. About the time I had to quit last night, even though I only did like 1 acre. I got a little patch in town that I got done, or did what I could. But I think I only did 5 acres of the 7.5 acres, and at that they did right at 60. Which I had high hopes for these, but I don't know. Maybe it's off. Don't know. The first actual load of the year. Well, it's not clear full, but it's as good as it was going to get last night. So, some green beans. Well, I'm going to drag it in and try it, because yeah, the 20 foot just I'm having a hard time with it, so. Not saying it's the head's fault, might just be the beans, but I'm going to try this one. Alright, Derek, so we just slugged it. What'd you say about it?
Don't worry, it's just a slug. It'll pass. You know, maybe if you feed it less beans, we wouldn't have that issue. No?
I don't think so, Eddie. Clark. Well, I got the first one done. I think it did about 10 bushels better than that, but which wasn't exactly what I was hoping for there. I know I shouldn't complain even about that, let alone 10 bushels better than that, but they should have been. I mean, for the environment they were in, they just didn't have the right weather, so not complaining. They were tough. Taking this head back home. I don't know if I'm gonna use it much, or might just put it in the back of the shed and keep running the other one. I don't know. I need to try it on some other ones and just see if it works. I don't know. Don't know what I'm gonna do. It was a good thought, but I think if it had a full finger auger, it would have been the answer. But well, we're running. Somewhere in there. Pretty good beans up here. Caught a little more rain up here, didn't we? They're not too bad. Not gonna complain. These aren't quite as green. I got some that are really bad. But 25 footers working good on these. Thankful. Kind of bored.